Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. Well, this is an opportunity to get some very inexpensive Dove body wash. So you can either get it in this foaming or the liquid. So whatever your choice is, I know that we all have our preferences. I think this stuff with the foam is awesome. Just my opinion. So if you look at the cover of the flyer, it says 2 for $13. And this is on the promotion of $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of the following personal care products. Now, online, this is different than in store, and I'd have to go check in store to see if it's ringing up BOGO 50% off, and I will go do that today. But this is a curbside right now, unless one of you ladies can go to the store and scan too and let us know your findings. Let us know in the comments. But looking online here, they are ringing up BOGO 50% off. So this is the foaming one that I absolutely love so much. Really get a good amount of soap. I think it's like 250 pumps per container. So I use this stuff all the time. And then also we have the liquid. So it is your choice if you want to get the foaming or the liquid, or if you want to get one of each and get totally crazy. My mom has really bad psoriasis, so it has to be Dove sensitive. And for whatever reason, this stuff works the best for her. So I always try to collect a huge amount of it for her because it just really helps her out. So grab 2 of these for this little dealio. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's ringing up. And if you look on the right-hand side, it says your available coupons. I have a 3 off of 2. I have a 2 off of 2. And then if you look below it, it says additional perks. It says buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get $4 of Walgreens cash. So this is on a desktop computer, and this is how I'm finding out all this information. Now, looking at this, the top one is the 3 off of 2. I don't think every store card got that one, and you had to load that a little bit back. And then the one below it is the one that showed up on Sunday morning. We're going to look at it 2 different ways, so we'll still find you a great deal. So grabbing 2 of them and tossing it into a basket on a BOGO 50% off promotion, that is $9.75. Remember, all these changes with curbside isn't taking place until like the 18th or 19th, so we can still do this. And looking at our basket here, we have the 2 body washes for $9.75. We're doing a pickup, so that's free. Estimated tax is 59 cents. That 3 off of 2 is coming off, so it's $7.34. And if you look below the proceed to checkout, it says that our estimated cash back is going to be $4.09. So, hey, that's a little something, right? And when the changes do in fact take place, if we're just a quarter shy of the $10, just throw something else in your basket, and you'll be on your happy little way. So, looking at this again, and again, I'm going to suggest that you do a curbside pickup because I'm not sure about the store for the BOGO 50% off promotion. So grabbing 2 of these at $9.75, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you'll pay $6.75. I would use $5 of Walgreens cash. I would pay $1.75, charge that to your credit card, debit card, that good thing. And then you get back $4 of Walgreens cash, so it's amazing. Now, if you have the 2 off of 2, you would pay $2.75 and get back your $4 of Walgreens cash. Still a fantastic deal. Okay, so let's just say you want to get really crazy and you want to get 4 body washes because this is your favorite body wash and you want to get it as a curbside again. So grabbing 4 of these, that would be $19.50 on the BOGO 50% off promotion. Subtracting the 3 off of 2 and the 2 off of 2 digitals, you're left with paying $14.50 out of pocket. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it, pay $4.50 plus the tax, and then you'll be credited that $8 of Walgreens cash. So obviously, if you're just using the 3 off of 2, there's a little bit more savings, but even with the 2 off of 2 and doing the stack of the 4 body washes instead of the 2, if this is your absolute and total favorite thing, you could still get it like at a really inexpensive cost. I think these guys are usually like $6.99 for one on any non-sales week, so some savings right here. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.